Good morning, everyone. We are from Team D, and I'm Lim Xiaowei. Today, we are present about ESG final reports. The title in ESG Days we did it is Electric Vehicle Information Center. The problem statement is the global warming emissions are primarily caused by transportation. Due to its ability to completely remove exhaust emissions and superior efficiency over gasoline-powered vehicles, electric vehicles, which is EV, are a crucial technology advancement in the fight against global warming and damaging air pollution from personal transportation. The project objective is to provide information about the types of EVs, to educate the environmental benefits of using EVs, and to provide charging infrastructure information in Penang. This is our project outputs. The first picture is the EV models prototypes that we built to present in the information centers. The second photos is the information box that we provided in the ESG days. It includes of the definitions of electric vehicles, types of EVs and the advantages of EVs, and some of the real EV cars in our daily life that we can see is Tesla Model, BYD Dolphins, Aura Good Cats, and Volvo XC40s. And the third pictures is the map in the Penang from islands to mainlands. There are several charging stations in Penang. So this is some example of the charging stations in Penang. The fourth pictures is statistics in the sales in Malaysia, the charging station along the highways in Malaysia, and the main components of the EVs. This is our project timeline. The exhibition was held on 6th of March 2024, and the times of these exhibitions is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and the venue is on Deck 7 of the SHIP campus.
Hi, I'm Ginny. Let's continue with our work breakdown structure. So you can see here I'm the project leader and having 4 members to assist me in terms of production of EV model and information boards, booth design, procurement, financing, photographing, recording, and others.
I'll now be moving on to Gantt chart. So during week 1, we brainstormed for project ideas, and by week 2, we had requested information from the lecturer, and in week 3, we prepared our project proposal, and by week 4, we were already presenting our project proposal as well as developing our project plan. And during week 5, we did information research as well as designing our EV model. And during week 6 and 7, we gathered materials required for our information boards and EV model. And during week 7 and week 8, we built our EV model and produced our information boards. And during week 9, which was the week of the event, we set up our booth and started ESG Day. And for week 10 to 12, we spent 3 weeks preparing our final report. And during week 13, which was the last week, we presented our final report and submitted our final report as well.
Let's continue to our risk assessment metrics. There have 6 risks. Firstly, the risk of venue changes is considered rare and has an insignificant impact. So the mitigation strategy is to notify participants of venue information and confirm venue booking well in advance. Secondly, the risk of a language barrier is unlikely with a minor impact, and a mitigating measure includes using basic language, visual aids, and having multilingual team members. Thirdly, the risk of internet connectivity issue is moderate with a significant impact. To address this, we should check connectivity beforehand, establish backup plans like mobile hotspot, and provide offline materials. Fourthly, low attendance is also unlikely but have a major impact. However, the mitigation strategy is to accept the risk and proceed with the event as planned. Fifthly, the risk of insufficient details is moderate with a served impact. Mitigation effort involve ensuring teams members are well informed and prepared, providing clear event information, and using visual aids. Lastly, the risk of equipment damage is rare but have a served impact. To mitigate this risk, we should inspect equipment frequently, handle and store it carefully, and have a backup prototypes ready.
I'm Yoezwan. I'm going to present my part post-project evaluation for technical performance, our project work and deliverables, and the model car are completed in a quality manner. Also, our audience complimented to our model car and paid attention during our explanations. For the cost performance, there's a IM8 over budget with IM50 as our original budget. For the schedule performance, we estimated to be finished the information board by week 6, but was delayed until the week 8. But we complete our model car on the scheduled time as the estimation time is week 8. For the project planning and control, we added an online racing game and provide the candy and small rewards at the last minute. However, our project lacked quantity and was not updated on the schedule. For the risk management, we prepare the chargers in case our electronics ran out of battery. For the customer relationships, the audience was more interested in our booth because of the online racing game and the model car. The audience verbally expressed their satisfaction regarding the progress of our project. Regarding to our team relationships, we did not have a strong sense of teamwork during this entire project, but there was nothing that hindered teamwork between us. For our communication parts, there was a lack of communication overall, but the project status was updated once in a while and there were no major problems. For the problem identification and resolutions, there is no mechanism to identify the potential problem and all the problems were solved rationally. For the lesson that we learned in this project, we realized that the car model was a huge success and helped to attract the majority of our audience, but the racing game did not work as well. And at the last one is the recommendation to our team. I think is our communication must be timely and thorough.
In terms of personal insights and reflection, for this project, I was happy because I able to organize a great and very first event. And this event is quite a good experience for me. Since the event is quite a rush, so maybe in the future, if we have more time to prepare, so I think we can make it better.
I think that the project was pretty successful overall. We did not face any huge problems or had any setbacks, but I think that the team could have communicated a lot better and updated each other on any progress or directly spoke up about their opinions or any of their suggestions. Everyone pulled their weight, although some a lot less than others, but thankfully we managed to pull through the entire project.
So now this is my personal insights. Although these projects may not be perfect, it has provided us with valuable experience. Through these projects, we have been able to identify our shortcomings and have the opportunity to improve and grow in the futures. I'm deeply grateful to my team members for their cooperations and efforts in successfully completing these activities. The spirit of teamwork displayed is invaluable, showcasing the power of our collective efforts and our resilience in the face of challenges. I hope that we can continue to maintain these spirits of collaborations in the futures and achieve even greater results in the next projects. Thank you.
I'm Yeo Wei Juan. First, I want to thanks to my lecturer, Mr. Ying Fu and Mr. Tan Ki On, and my tutor, Mr. Chu Kai Yao, for giving me the opportunities to join this project. I'm very satisfied because this project went very successfully, and I think this project allowed me to understand the meaning of ESG Day and know about our social responsibilities and how to reduce our impact on the environment. And I think this project also allowed us to understand the importance of sustainable energy and its impact on the environment in the future. In addition, the competition in this project also increased the competitiveness within the teams and give us the motivation to complete the project. Finally, this project taught me the importance of communication and teamwork. So here's all the things that I learned from this project. Thank you.
So here is all the presentation of our group. Thank you.